Pairing the director device with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro allows you to shoot high-definition videos anytime, anywhere, and perform instant editing, recording, and streaming for creative video production. The Osmo Action 5 Pro can connect to the director device in several ways, serving as RTMP, webcam, or HDMI source. First, let's cover connecting via RTMP streaming. On the director device, tap the plus to create a scene. Select RTMP push. Set a name, key, and buffer time. Take note of the stream URL at the bottom, then tap Create. Open the DJI Mimo app, connect to your Osmo Action 5 Pro. Tap Live Stream on the camera interface. Select RTMP and tap Start Live Stream Settings. After the app completes live stream preparation, you'll enter the live setup page. Under Camera Network Status, connect the camera to the same network as the director device. For example, the same Wi-Fi. Enter the stream URL of Wi-Fi from the director device into the DJI Mimo app. After completing other settings, tap Start Live Stream. Edit the scene and tap Save. The footage from the Action 5 Pro will now appear in your show. In addition to wireless connection, you can also use a USB-C cable to connect the Action 5 Pro and the director device. Connect the Osmo Action 5 Pro's USB-C port to the director device's USB-A or USB-C port. On the Action 5 Pro, select webcam mode. On the director device, tap plus to create a scene. Select webcam 1. In the scene editor, you can edit the source. Tap the property button in the toolbar. You can select webcam device and set parameters, such as resolution and frame rate. After you have finished editing, tap Save in the upper right corner. The footage from the Action 5 Pro will now appear in your show. Additionally, the USB-C port on the Osmo Action 5 Pro supports HDMI output via USB hub or a USB-C to HDMI cable. You can use either method to connect it to an HDMI port on the director device, such as HDMI 1. On the director device, tap plus to create a scene. Select HDMI 1. Edit the scene and tap Save. The footage from the Action 5 Pro will now appear in your show.